on Washington Boulevard in Pasadena. And with me today again is my assistant, Amila.
Hi everybody. It's nice to see you guys again.
It is nice to see them again. Today we are going to make another kit from Remainders, the jewelry kit. It's a little jewelry making kit that you can purchase. It is $5. It's in the kit section at Remainders. And we are located at 787 East Washington Boulevard in Pasadena. You can also find the kit on our website at www.remainderspas.org. You can order it there and have it shipped to you. And if you have any questions, you can come into the store and ask questions, or you can call us. Our phone number is 626-529-5014. And if you're in the store and you have any questions, we're all here to help. So today, like we said, we're going to make the jewelry kit. So you have the choice to make a necklace or a bracelet or both. Do you want? And today, Amila is going to be doing the making. Do you want to make a necklace or a bracelet?
A bracelet.
A bracelet. That's maybe a little bit easier, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So what the kit comes with is everything you need to make the jewelry. So you get some elastic string. That comes in the kit, and you get several beautiful jewels to choose from to make your kit.
This one is very pretty.
That is very pretty. That's very pretty. You can see in here, there's the elastic, and here is the bag of jewels that you can use to make.
And if you're making a bracelet, whoever you're making it for, or if you're making it yourself, always have your adult friend measure how big your wrist is, so you have the string a good amount. So you have it the right size for your wrist, so it doesn't fall off when your hands are like this.
That's a really good point. So the things that you'll need to provide are some tape and some handy scissors, so that you can cut the elastic and tape the ends closed for your jewelry. So the first thing you want to do, like Amila said, is to measure your friend's wrist to make sure that you have the right size. So I will measure your wrist. So that looks like it will be, we probably should make it pretty tight, huh? Because it's stretchy.
Yeah.
Does that look about right?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm gonna cut that.
Runaway string.
Runaway string. There is your string, madam. And do you want to start choosing the jewels you're going to make? Oh, by the way, you can see an example of this necklace on the beautiful Amila right now. This is a necklace that was made. Very good. Can you get it? Out of the jewelry kit. It's a beautiful necklace.
And you can see there's like a nice star and this cool circle one. I think it's really rad.
Is that a flower? What's
and
that one?
I think this one's a flower.
Yeah. There are a lot of really cool ones on there.
And this one looks like a real jewel.
It does.
That's why they call them jewels.
All right, do you want to get started?
Yes.
So the directions say, think about how you'd like to design your necklace and or your bracelet. In this case, you're going to make a bracelet. Will you choose random beads or set aside beads that you want? And do you have a special outfit you want to accessorize with the necklace or bracelet? Can you think of it?
No.
No? Maybe, what about what you wore for Halloween? That would be good with a bracelet or a necklace.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, this will be for my Christmas.
For Christmas, okay. So, secondly, you need to decide how long you want the necklace and the bracelet, which we have done. We've measured. Be sure to leave at least 3 inches of extra string, which you'll use to tie. Use the piece of tape to hold down the string while you start beading. So, that's what we need the tape for. Where's your elastic? I'll tape it down. Is this where you want to work? Right here?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'll tape down one end. Oh, okay. So use the tape to tape down one end. Which, are you left-handed or right-handed, Amila?
I'm right-handed.
You're right-handed, so should I tape the left side then?
Why?
Because won't you be adding the beads from the right side?
Yeah.
Because you're right-handed. Okay, perfect. So I've taped down her left end because she's right-handed, and she's going to start adding the beads from the right side. That was the tape. And now you can start beading and dazzling your design. And also, Amila, there's one other direction it says to use. You ready? The last direction is to have fun. Once you've finished your accessory, you'll need to do a surgeon's knot to close the top, and this will ensure a tight knot that's stable. On the directions, it shows you what a surgeon's knot looks like and how to make it, so that shouldn't be a problem. How's it going? Are you still collecting beads?
Yeah.
There's some cool stuff in here. What is that? That's cool. Why don't you use that?
I found this.
It's very, oh, those are beautiful. It's all pink.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Some are like an orangish color.
What about this? Do you like this red bead?
I'm not gonna use it. It's only pink.
You're only using
and I
pink?
think I have enough pink beads.
Okay, cool. So it's easy to sort of like put it on at the top and then let it slide down.
Oh, and just one tip. You don't have to use the same colors as we do, and you don't have to use all just one color of the beads. You can use any color of the beads and even mix and match them.
That is a very good point. You can definitely mix and match them all you want. Like Amila's making all pink beads, and I'm gonna make several colors. See, I've already added gold and red.
Cool.
Yeah. All right, well, we're gonna continue to make our bracelets. And why don't you show them the example one more time, Amila, of the necklace. Look at this beautiful necklace that you can make with all of these jewels and the elastic thread that come in the jewelry making kit. And that's $5 at Remainders. Again, we're on Washington Boulevard in Pasadena. And you can also visit us on the web at www.remainderspas.org. All right, let's finish our kits. All right, you guys, we'll see you later. We're gonna finish our kits, and you should go get your own kit. See you soon.